Lauding Atmanirbhar farmers, Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Thursday said that India registered record agricultural produce during the times of coronavirus. He further said that the crop growers are the backbone of the country's democracy. He said farmers also played an important role in Chauri Chaura struggle. In the last 6 years, steps have been taken to make farmers self-reliant. As a result of this, agriculture sector has grown even during the pandemic. The opposition on Thursday tore into the government's handling of the farmer protest against the 3 contentious farm laws, saying that the ministers believe in monologue and trenches have been dug, barbed wires put up and spikes installed when bridges should have been built to win over farmers. Opening the second day of discussion on the motion thanking the President for his address to the joint sitting of the Parliament at the starting of the budget session, Manoj Kumar Jha of the RJD said the government has lost the patience to hear and criticism is painted as anti-national. 15 opposition MPs representing 10 political parties who reached Delhi-Uttar Pradesh border in Ghazipur this morning to meet the farmers protesting the centre's farm laws were stopped by the police. The MPs who went to Delhi border in a bus included Harsimrat Kaur Badal of the Shiromani Akali Dal, Supriya Sule of the Nationalist Congress Party, Kani Mozi of TMK and Saugata Roy of Trinamool Congress. US said on Wednesday in comments on the farmers' protest that unhindered access to information, including the internet, and peaceful protest are a hallmark of a thriving democracy. The US State Department made the remarks to question some farmer protests, the 3 central laws that have provoked the agitation, and the government's move to block the internet near the protest sites. Congress General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi Vadra on Thursday visited Rampur to meet the family of Navneet Singh, who was killed during farmers' tractor rally in New Delhi on Republic Day. Earlier in the day, 4 cars of Priyanka Gandhi's cavalcade hit each other while she was on her way to Rampur to meet the family of Singh. No injuries were reported. The 4 cars bumped into each other on National Highway 9 in Harpur district while the convoy was moving towards Rampur.